Hey everyone, I'm Kesha and I'm here with QVC and I'm going to be showing you how to create this and avoid this with eyeshadow do's and don'ts. So the first do before we get into the look is to make sure you use the right tools. These are my 4 go-to eyeshadow brushes. The blender brush for making sure there are no harsh lines and your shadows are perfectly blended. The eyeshadow brush is essential for putting on your eyeshadows, especially on the lids of your eyes. The eyeliner brush for things like eyebrows and eyeliner. The smudge brush is essential for creating really beautiful, smudgy, smoky eyes under the eyeline. This is my don't side and this is my do side. I put foundation on this side because I don't recommend that you do your eyeshadows when your base is already done. This is so when you put your eyeshadows on, they don't fall all over your makeup that you've already done. Do make sure you use a primer or a concealer as your eyeshadow base. This is essential to make sure that the colours pop and that your makeup will last all day. I like using concealers because a lot of the time they are long wearing, and I love using a lighter colour because it helps my eyeshadow colours to always pop. This one is really great because it's full coverage. Just making sure that I put it all over my lid, even up to the brow bone. Do make sure you use a soft transition colour in the crease of your eye. This helps to blend all of our colours together, the lights, the darks, and everything in between. It's a great base to start all of your eyeshadow looks. A common mistake people make is they use the wrong brush with the wrong colour in the wrong place. If you don't use a blending brush, your eyeshadows will never look smooth on your eyelid, as you can see. And you can already see the fallout that's coming onto my foundation. My next tip is to make sure that the colour you choose to put on your lid stays on your lid. You know where your lid stops because it's right on that crease. A common mistake people can make is they use their lid colour all the way up to their brows. You can see how messy things get here, can't you? When going for a smoky eye, you always want to make sure the darker colour is on the outer corner of your lid. This will really help to define the eye shape. And obviously, make sure that you always blend. There's always going to be fallout with eyeshadow, but because I don't have any foundation on my face, I can simply wipe it away. So you want to make sure that you're not using too light of a colour on the outside of your eye because you're not going to get any definition. As you can see, this is not a smoky eye that I'd be wearing anytime soon. This is my favourite bit. Make sure that you smoke out the lower lash line. This will help to give your eye even more definition and tie the whole look in together. I usually use the same shade as my outer lid corner, so whatever colour I've chosen as my smoky eye, I like to use that. It's really important to follow your natural lash line and not bring it too far down. A common mistake people make is they bring the eyeshadow colour far too low from their lash line, and then it starts to look like panda eyes. Do use a highlighting colour in the corner of the eye. This really helps to open up the eye and it balances the look, especially when you have a darker shadow in the outer corner. Try to avoid using dark colours in the corner of your eyes. And then you can finish your makeup however you like. I like to finish it with an eyeliner, some lashes and foundation. I love putting eyeliner on when I've done a smoky eye. I think it just makes the whole look. And I think there are no real secrets as to how to do eyeliner. I think practice very much makes perfect. I always put mascara on before I put lashes. I always wait for the glue to dry because it makes it so much easier to put your false lashes on. And then I like to finish with mascara on my bottom lashes. The reason putting on mascara, or lashes if you choose, is so essential is because it helps to finish the look. And now I'm going to finish with my foundation. I love putting on foundation after I finish my eyeshadows because I know nothing's going to drop on it and nothing's going to ruin my glam base, unlike this side. I just make sure that I'm really careful when putting on my concealer so that I don't ruin my under eyeshadow. I'm going to set with my translucent powder. And I'm just going to complete the look with some lips. So I used the same palette on both eyes, and you can see that a few simple tips and tricks will take you from nay to yay. If you want to learn more about the beauty basics, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss out on any future episodes.